Hello, 6th graders. I think everybody can see here this video, and I'm here the classroom leader. Let me solve with you guys the formative number 8, and attention over here to understand what you are supposed to do. Okay, guys, as I told you here in your test, as you can see here, I share with you all the formulas to find the square shape. We have the shape square and the formula to find the area, and the rectangle, and the formulas over here: triangle, parallelogram, trapezoids. Okay, guys, this one circle and rhombus, just ignore, okay, because we don't have this yet. Next class we'll be learning about circles and rhombus. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. The first one, as I told you guys, you can use calculator. Yeah, calculator. Yes, you can use in this test, in this formative. Let's go ahead here, guys. Number one. In number one here, as I told you, we're supposed to understand and look for these two figures. Okay, let me minimize the calculator. At an archaeological site, the remains of two ancient step pyramids are congruent. As you can see, are congruent means the measures of the pyramid is the same. The measures is the same. And here we have the pyramid number 1 and the pyramid number 2. The first question it is, find AD, included units. AD, as you notice, guys, it is this side here, this first one. What is the value of AD? AD are congruent with EH. If you wrote this information like that, I'm just using here AD are congruent to EH, as you notice. And the value of EH, as you notice, it is 335. 335 fits. Okay, the second one, it is find EF. This one, find EF. Let's figure out and find EF here. EF, as you notice, guys, EF is here, is distance, is the same, are congruent to AB. Okay, Mr. EF are congruent to AB. And this measure is 45 feet. 45 feet. Okay, next one, Mr. A and E. AE, if about angle, find angle A. Angle A, let me write here. Angle A are congruent with angle E. Angle E. And the value, it is 52 degrees. 52 degrees. And the last one, it is find the angle F. Angle F, if you notice, are congruent with angle B. They are congruent, angle B. Angle B here. Then the value, it is 128 degrees. And here is the solution. If you would like to use the box, just remember to type here 335 feet, comma, 45 feet, comma, 52 degrees, sorry, and the last one, 128 degrees. Okay, if you type in the box or just type over there, you are correct. Okay, finish. Number 1 done. Number 2, find the area of the triangle. Let's find the area of this triangle here. Guys, we learned about how can we find the area, mister, for triangle. Here's the formula. Just slide up here the formula if you need help. Here's the formula. Triangle. A equals a half times base times height. Always the same formula as I told you, guys. Area, let me write here. Area of triangle, it is a half the times base, times base times height. Height. Okay, now I got the formula. The formula is very easy. It's the same thing as base times height divided by 2. The same thing. Okay, let's solve right now. To solution, where is my base? My base is number 8. Then let's write here A equals my base, it is 8. My height is the imaginary line, okay, because I have a perpendicular, I have a right angle over here. Here's the right angle, okay. 7, 8 times 7, 8 times 7, it is divided by 2. Don't forget divided by 2, okay. 8 times 7, guys, 56. 56 divided by 2, it is divided by 2. What is the solution? 56 divided by 2, it is 28. 28. Okay, guys? Nice. Or you can just, okay, this one, just repeating again, the base is here is 8, the height is 7, 7 times 8, 56, 56 divided by 2, it is 28 square centimeters, okay? 28 square centimeters. Nice. I think everybody understands this one. Let me go ahead. Let me just clean here the screen. Nice. Let's go to this one. Find the area of the trapezoid. Guys, if you forgot, here's the formula for trapezoid. Here, trapezoid. A half times height times base 1 plus base 2. Okay, I remember right now. The first thing usually I do, I write the formula. Area equals the height times base 1 plus base 2 divided everything by 2. Okay, mister, who is my height? My height over here is 2. Let's write here the formula. 2 times, who is my base 1? 3. Who is my base 2? 2. And divide by 2. Let's solve right now. 3 plus 2. Remember order of operation, parentheses first. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 times 5 divided by 2. 2 times 5 divided by 2. 2 times 5, 10. 10 divided by 2, it is area equals 5. Oops. It is 5, okay, guys? Let me just rewrite this one. Okay, 5 meters squared. Here is the solution, okay, for this one. Area equals 5 meters squared. Let's go ahead to the next one. We solve number 3. Number 4. Find the area of the triangle. Guys, the triangle formula we figured out a few minutes ago. Let's work on this again. Just be sure you understand or not. Okay? Attention how to solve this stuff. Let me do it again here. Just for you remember, guys, the formula, it is area equals base times height divided by 2. Everybody remember this formula, I hope. Okay? By 2. Okay, let me just write this 2 again because it's so weird. Okay, base. Who is my base? Guys, my base is 23. 23. Yes? No, we have more activities, okay? Okay, 23 times 20 divided by 2. 23 times 20 divided by 2. Okay, let's solve here. 23 times 20, guys, it is 460. Okay, 460. Attention, because you need to divide it by 2, this number. Don't forget it, okay? Divided by 2. 460 divided by 2, 230. But, yes, don't forget it, because it is 230 square centimeter. If you just type 230, it's wrong, because I talk square centimeters because it's area. Remember, 2 dimensions. 2 dimensions. That's why. Okay. Yes. Square area always is 2 dimensions. Okay. Square centimeters. Great. We finished this one. Let me go ahead to the next. Here, let me just clean. Oh no, just stop here. Sketch rectangle with a perimeter of 22 centimeters. Guys, this activity here, you have a lot of ways to solve. Okay, a lot of ways to solve. The thing you need to know, the perimeter of a rectangle, it is length plus length, because I have two lengths, width plus width equals the perimeter. But I give you the perimeter is 22. Which numbers can be to length and width? Many of all. Okay, I will give you three ways to solve this one. I can have, for example, number 6 plus 6 for length and 5 plus 5. Why, mister? Because 6 plus 6, 12. And 5 plus 5, it is 10. 12 plus 10, 22. This number here. Okay? Then it could be 6 and 5. Oh, vice versa. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, 6 and 5 centimeters. Don't forget, centimeters. Okay? Mister, can you have more options? Yes. We can use 8 plus 8. Nice. 8 and 3, I think. 8 plus 3 plus 3. Yes. 8 plus 8, 16. 6, 3 plus 3 is, yes. 22. 16 plus 6, 22. I can use 8, yes, and 3. I will check. Don't worry. I will check about this. Don't worry. 16 and plus 6, 22 would be this one. Okay. And can we have more? Yes. Just for everybody to understand. I will repeat everything here just for everybody to understand. Yeah. That's the thing I'm doing here, Sophia. Yes. Sophia and Karen did this one. 10 plus 10, 20. 1 plus 1, 2. Yeah. Don't worry. Just different ways, Sophia, okay? But everything works. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes, the same thing. You're correct, Sophia. No problem. You're right. Just for everybody. We have different peoples. They have different ways to understand. Okay, but let's go here. The parallelogram, guys. The formal parallelogram, guys. I think everybody remembers this stuff. It's very easy how to solve the formula. This one, the parallelogram formula. It is area equals base times height. Okay, everybody remember this stuff. How can we solve? The base, guys, is very easy here. Is 15 times height. My height, it is 8. 15 times 8, it is 5 times 8 is 40. 8 plus 80 plus 40, 120 square inches. Okay, guys, 120 square inches. If you do double check, just use calculator. 15 times 8, 120. Okay, guys, no problem. And here we solve this one. Let's go ahead to the next. It is number 7. Number 7, it is Jennifer measures her rectangular sandbox and finds the width. It is 8 meters and the length is 6. Yes? Yeah. And yes, exactly. Don't forget the square. I will solve this one. Okay, guys? Here's a word problem. I have Jennifer's sandbox is over here. Guys, it's not perfect, just for you understand it better. The width is 8 meters and the length 6 meters. 8 meters and 6 meters. Estimate to draw Jennifer's sandbox and label the side and length. Okay, it's here. What is the perimeter? Guys, the perimeter, as we know, it is adding up all sides around the rectangle. Let's do it. Perimeter, it is 8 plus 8, because I have 2 lengths and I have 2 widths. Okay, 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6. 8 plus 8, 16. 6 plus 6, 12. 16 plus 12, 28 meters. Here is the letter A, the perimeter. And the area, guys, the area, I think everybody remember the formula, base times height. Who is my base? 8. Who is my height? 6. 8 times 6, 48 meters square. Don't forget the square. Okay, nice, nice. The little two, as I told you, because we have the two-dimension area, it's amount of space. When I talk about amount of space, I need to use that square, okay? Because I'm talking about space. Area always has a little two. Always. Area always. And perimeter don't need it, because perimeter is length, okay? It's measured. Okay, guys, we finished number. It's the same thing. Yeah, area. Square centimeters, area, square inches, area, square yards, area, square meters, square kilometers, always. Okay? Number 8, word problem again. Number 8. Oh no, it's not word problem. Just solve the solution here. Find the area of a trapezoid. Show each step to solve. Guys, this one, the trapezoid formula, you go ahead there in the page and you remember the formula. It is height times base number 1 plus base number 2. Here is the formula. Remember, divided by 2, the solution. Who is my height? My height is the perpendicular. I told you. The imaginary line in this case here is 5. Who is my base number 1? My base number 1, 10.3. 10.3. Who is my base number 2? 13.7. 13.7 divided by 2. Okay, order of operation. I need to solve first the parentheses. Let's do it over here. 10.3 plus 13.7. It is 3 plus 7, 10. Carry 1. Slide down the decimal point. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 3 it is 4. And 1 plus 1 it is 2. 24, okay guys, 24.0 is 24. Then this one, the formula, 5 times 24, it equals, divided by 2. 5 times 24, it is 5 times 4 is 20, 120. 120 divided by 2, it is, the final solution, 60 feet square. 60 feet square. Okay guys, remember the solution, I'm talking about area. That's why it is 60 feet square. Great. I think everybody understands this stuff. And if we go ahead here, let's go number 9. Number 9 and number 10, the two last questions. It is Union Middle School wants to resaw the soccer field for next year. A typical soccer field is 150 yards by 75 yards. It costs 15.50 per square yard to resaw the field. How much is it going to cost to the school to resaw the entire field? Guys, the first one, I need to find the area. The total area for the field. It is base times height, because it's a rectangle. Everybody notice. The yards, it is 120 base. My height for this 175. Let's use calculator. 120 times 75, 9,000. 9,000 yards square. Okay guys, yards square. But it's not the final result. The final result, I need to do what? It costs 15.5 per square. Okay, the total cost, it is the area times the cost. Area times the cost. The area have the information. It is 9,000. 9,000. And the cost, I have information here, is 15.5 or 50, whatever. Let's use calculator again. 9,000 times 15.5. It is 139,500. 139 and 500. It is the cost. Okay, guys. Here is the final solution. 139 and 500. 139,500. Great. And the last one. Molly and Ted built pens for their dogs. Molly made a pen 12.5. Let me write this one, the information for Molly. Okay, Molly, her pen, it is 12.5 by meters by 8 meters. And Ted pen, it is a kind of different. Okay, not all, but a little bit different. It is 15 by 6.4. Okay, guys, just ignore just a drawing. Okay, just a sketch. Don't worry, it's all mister. The Ted is bigger than the Molly. Okay, don't worry, just a sketch. Okay, guys. Right now, let me just rewrite this one just for we understand better. This and this. Okay, right now 6.5. It's bigger than the other one, but it's kind of thick. Okay, guys, here's the 2-1. Whose pen has the greatest area? You need to figure out the first area. You need to figure out the other area and compare. The area, I know it is base times height. It is 12.5 times 8. 12.5 times 8, guys. Calculator. 12.5 times 8. 100. Molly area, it is 100 meters square. And Ted, let me see Ted. Ted, the same thing, the formula, base times height, 15 times 6.4. 15 times 6.4, it is 96 square meters. Great. Whose pen has the greatest area, guys? If you notice, Molly, she got the greatest area. That's why we choose Molly over here. And we finish our assessment over here. Guys, remember, all the summatives or formatives submit. And remember, guys, the summative will looks like a lot this stuff. Great, guys. All right, going to finish the video right now. Remember to watch this later to study more, understand. Bye bye the video, guys.